Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a sticky X button on your PlayStation 5 controller. First, ensure your controller is powered off and disconnected from your console. Begin by using compressed air to clear any loose dust or debris from around the sticky button. Then, take a lint-free cloth, dampen it with 99% isopropyl alcohol, and gently wipe the top surface of the X button. This initial cleaning can often resolve minor stickiness caused by surface grime. If the button remains sticky, it's time for a more targeted approach. Dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol, ensuring it's moist but not soaking wet. Carefully clean around the sides and edges of the X button, where residue often accumulates. For stubborn dirt, gently use a toothpick to scrape out debris from the tiny gaps. After cleaning, press and rotate the button about 100 times to help work out any remaining obstructions. Sometimes, external cleaning isn't enough, and internal debris might be the culprit. If your X button is still sticky, you might need to carefully disassemble your controller. This process requires a plastic pry tool and a precision Phillips head screwdriver, typically 1.5 millimeters. Before starting, make sure your workspace is clean and well lit to avoid misplacing any tiny screws or components during the process. Once disassembled, you can access the internal components. Gently remove the back panels and any internal screws, then carefully lift the circuit board. Use cotton swabs dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean the rubber button membranes and the corresponding contact points on the circuit board. After cleaning and ensuring everything is dry, carefully reassemble your controller, making sure all parts are correctly aligned and secured. Test the button to confirm the stickiness is gone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.